how's it going? Welcome to my video. We're gonna do another no start video. This one is going to be for Mercedes or Mercedes. So basically, we're talking about the E320, which is the 2001, 2003, 2004 generation. But this could be any Mercedes-Benz with this issue. And in this particular case, what you're going to do in this situation, let me tell you the symptoms of this situation, all right? So basically, if you try to start it, what it does is it cranks. You're getting power, it cranks, but it doesn't run, it doesn't start. You can crank it, it doesn't start. It doesn't start up. It's got power, it cranks. All right, so basically what you're going to do with this quick fix is in this generation, the relay that you're going to be looking for is under the seat. Now there's four fuse boxes to this car. 4 fuse boxes, all right? There's one on the driver's side under the hood. There's one on the passenger side under the hood. There's one behind the door on the driver's side, and then there's one that's on under the seat. All right, in this generation, you're gonna go under the seat. You're gonna look for the fuse box under the seat. All right, so what you're gonna do is, obviously, you're gonna put the seat up. You're gonna look at you're gonna take the cover off the fuse box. All right, and this is the fuse. No, this is the relay that you're gonna look for. All right, there's a fuel pump relay, and then there is a fuel pump fuse. All right, and in this fuse box under the seat, there's only one main relay, and that main relay is for the fuse box. What you're gonna do in this situation is you're gonna take the relay off. You're gonna take the relay out. All right, now once you take it out, you're gonna see those sockets. Now if you guys want to do this, all right, just take a wire, short wire, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the wire in these 2 slots in the picture. Those are the 2 slots you're gonna put. All right, normally in this situation, if you're having this issue, you could take the relay out, you could swap it for another relay, but since there's no other relay of a similar kind in that box, you can't do that. Just to test it out to see whether it's the fuel pump relay that's the problem. So basically, in this scenario, the fuel pump relay has issues. It's not working. So what you're going to do is you're going to do a hack. All right, you're going to get a wire, you're going to cut the wire, you're going to put the wire in these 2 slots, in the relay slot. All right, and then what you're going to do is you're going to put the relay back into the slot. All right, once you do that, just go back, turn on your car. If this is what's causing it, you should definitely be able to get your car to start, go where you need to go, get a new relay, pop a new relay in, and resolve that issue permanently, or as permanent as possible until next time it occurs again. But if you guys want to know how to hook up so that your relay, so that the connection to the relay actually causes this faulty relay to work again, that's it. All right, hope this gets you out of a situation that you're in. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment in the comment section. Please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up and all that good stuff. All right guys, take care.